You know what's a ghost? That house in the future will be a ghost compared to those apartments.
It will be. It's gonna be long gone, that house right there. Long gone. Ooh, hello there. Hi there. We're walking down an alleyway to the Greenwood Neighborhood Art Collective. We don't know if we actually can film in there, so we're gonna find out if this even makes sense. So, yeah.
Let's find out.
Yeah, we're not wearing jackets. This is why we're arms crossed and cold.
It just all of a sudden
Ooh.
got a little chilly.
Let's do it.
I don't see anywhere and you're coming.
Nice. Yeah. Look at this. That is horrifying. I want to put this on. That is amazing.
And so they're super good with long hair.
And like, what was that inspired by? It's like, it looks very like scarecrowy.
I've been making them for years.
Hey, that's amazing. Like, people scared of this mask here.
Yeah, you don't see that often.
Hi, baby.
Hello. You want some fun? We're gonna have some fun. Let's go this way toward the street. And show them the sweetness inside.
I think he's ready for Halloween.
Did you have fun tonight?
Huh?
Did you have fun tonight?
It's still going.
The night's still going. And yeah, the art walk, it kind of felt awkward to film a million things in there because, you know, you want to respect the artists.
A lot of private artists
Yeah.
that don't like the
Well, you don't want to steal their
cameras
work and think they're going to put it on YouTube or Instagram, Google
We're
Plus.
very respectful.
Yes. Now let's go to the Baronoff. Yeah, we're back at our arcade again because night's young, so we'll go here a bit and then watch TV. Thanks for watching. Here's some more fun. Like that car?
Paint my car, please.